WINSTA Maxi for high power output. The constantly increasing energy demand for special building installations can necessitate a connector with a particularly high power range. WINSTA Maxi enables high power output to be distributed locally, and it avoids an unacceptably high voltage drop in long cable routes. WINSTA Maxi is suitable for conductor cross-sections up to 6 square millimeters. Current carrying capacity is 32 amps. The pole marking can be printed according to the customer's specifications. To provide maximum convenience, WINSTA Maxi can be tested even when the connectors are attached. All components are available as pre-assembled and quality-tested units, or are available for self-assembly on site.